Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3, we are starting exercise 5.3 number 5. Question is, doubling the multiplication table for 6 does not give the multiplication table for 9. What would you do instead? Question 5. Doubling the multiplication table for 6 does not give the multiplication table for 9. What could you do instead? Give an example. Look, doubling the multiplication table for 6, it will be 6 times 1 6, 6 times 2 12, 6 times 3 18, 6 times 4 24, etc., which does not give the multiplication table for 9, because 9 times 1 is a 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 27, 9 times 3 36. Instead, what can we do? We can, or you can, multiply each number in the multiplication table for 3 by 3 to get the multiplication table for 9. For example, 3 times 3 is a 9, 6 times 3 is a 18, 9 times 3 is a 27. Now look, everywhere come that number which can be divided by 9, like 9, 18, 27. Next, 9 times 4, which is 36. Okay, so number 5 done. Number 6, multiply the numbers in the bricks next to each other to find the number for the brick above. Like here is 3 and 3, we have to multiply, it will become 9. Again 3 and 3, here is also 9. Then 9 and 9, it will be 81. Same thing, here is 9 and here is 1 and 9. Once we multiply, we will get 9. 9 times 1, it will be 9. 9 times 9, it will be 81. Very simple. Number 7. The term to term rule is added 9. Choose a start number and write the first 5 numbers in your sequence. Let's say our starting number is 9. So here is 18, here is 27, here is 36, and here is 45. This is the term to term rule is added 9. 7b. When the start number is same as the term to term rule, now can you describe the numbers in the sequence? For example, start at 9, term to term rule is added 9. So you already write the sequence 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Now look, the numbers will be multiplies of the start number, so they can follow the same pattern as the multiplication table product for that numbers. Suppose term to term rule of 6. So 6, next 12, and this is the multiplication of also 6, like 6 times 1 is a 6, 6 times 2 is a 12. Similar, 6 times 3, it will be 18, and also term to term rule added 6, 6, 12 and 18. Very simple. Number 8. Interesting question. Here is dominoes, which is 5 by 4, 5, and here is 4 dot. So 5 4, 5 4, 5 4, right? It means here is 5 plus 4 is 9. So here is 3 group, and it will become 9 times 3 is a 27. But look, 9 times 3 is 9 times 3 equals to 27. We know this one. But look, here is 5 also 3 times. This is 5, this is 5, this is 5. So we can write 5 times 3. It means here is 15, and 4 also 3 times. So 4 times 3, it will be 12. Once we summation, also it's become 27. Now draw a picture to show how you can edit the multiplication tables for 5 and 3 together to find 8 times 4. So first we have to draw. How? This is so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 and here is 5 and also what 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is our first picture. Next, second one, draw a picture to show how you can add the multiplication table for 5 and 3 together to find 8 times 4, it means 34. How you can get this one? Look, suppose here is 5, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, now our target to make this one 8 times 4, like 8 times 4 equal, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 4 plus here is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 3 times 4. Okay, now look, 5 times 4 is a 20, 3 times 4 is a 12, and once we make summation it will become 32, and also 8 times 4 also 32. It's a common thing. And similar as 9 times 3 equals to 27, and we are making 5 times 3, 4 times 3, 5 times 3 is a 15, 4 times 3 is a 12, and finally it become 27. So similar this one also, 8 times 4 equals to 5 times 4 plus 3 times 4 equals to 32. I hope you cleared this one. If you have any confusion, please write a line in the comment section. If you know that 6 times 9 equals to 54, what other connected fact do you know? So we can make lots of things, like 9 times 6 also 54, right? What kinds of connected we can make? Like 54 divide 6 equals to 9, 54 divide 9 equals to 6, right? 54 equals to 6 times 9, also same thing. 54 equals to 9 times 6, also same thing. And finally we can write like 9 equals to 54 divide 6. So you can lots of things can make. If need, like 6 equals to 54 divide 9 is the same thing. So if you want, you can make lots of fact, right? So number 9 done. Number 10, write the multiplication and division fact family for this array. So how many smile in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 column, right? It's a 6 column. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 row. It means 54. So we have to make fact family, like 6 times 9, 54. 9 times 6, 54. 54 equals to 6 times 9. 54 equals to 9 times 6 is a similar thing. Same, 54 divide 6, it will be 9. 54 divide 9, it will be 6, right? Then 9 equals to 54 divide 6, then 6 equals to 54 divide 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can make this one. So this is the progression part. Check your progress. Number 1 done. Number 2, draw a ring around the number that are multiplies of 2, 5 and 10. So first of thing, we have to find that number which is first point. First it should be even and unit digit should be 0, because if unit digit 0, it means this is an even number. This can be divided by 2, also 5 and 10, right? So 50, 340, 580, 700 and 10. Okay, now look, this is 32. We can divide by 2, but we cannot divide by 5 or 10. But round that numbers like 50, 580, 340, 700 or 10, we can divide by 2, divide by 5 and divide by 10, right? Complete each multiplication fact. 8 times 10, 80, 10 times 3, 30, 27 times 10, 270, 9 times 5, 45, 4 times 8, 32, 6 times 7, 42, 5 times 4, 20, 8 times 6, 48, 3 times 9 is what? 27. Number 4. Here is the term, two-term rule is plus 6. Start at 7. What are the next 5 numbers in the sequence? So we are starting from 7. So plus 6, it means here is 13. Plus 6, it means 19. Plus 6, 25. Then 31. Then 30. What? 7. Very simple. So no more today, because finally we complete Unit 5, which is multiplication and division. This unit has 3 parts: 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3. Successfully we have completed everything. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. You will get every math link of Unit 5 in the description box and also first comments. So please subscribe my channel, which is Sad Educare, and I am trying to solve every page of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3. I hope it will help your baby. Thank you.